Hello viewers! Today you're invited along on a short trip in a brand new Piper Archer. We're joining Jeppe and his dad Morten on a trip to the beautiful Danish island of Samsø for a round of golf in the lovely weather. Let's get airborne. By car and ferry it would take several hours to get from Odense, where we're located, to Samsø, but it takes just 20 minutes when you have the Piper Archer DLX to fly in. Landing requires just 470 meters of grass runway, and on this clear early September day, landing the Archer on Samsø is no trouble at all. The luggage compartment of the Piper Archer easily holds 2 loaded golf bags, so now, let's go play some golf. A couple of quick facts about the Archer. 1. Carrying 2 people, this Archer could fly all the way from Odense to Geneva today. 2. The intuitive Garmin G1000 cockpit makes it ideal for the private owner. 3. If you have 600 meters of dry grass, you can take off and land pretty much anywhere. 4. You can customize your very own Piper Archer and order it with us for delivery in 2023. Now it's time to load up the golf clubs and head home to Odense. It's been a beautiful day, and thanks to the Archer there's no need for a hotel room or a long drive home. Just a quick pre-flight check and then out on the runway and off they go. And here we are back in Odense. Now it's time to just put the golf clubs in the car and go home. They're home in time for dinner.